we are discussing about yoga. Yoga for beginners. What yoga should a beginner start with? Health Hatha Yoga, that is Hatha in English. In Sanskrit, this is Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga classes tend to be good for beginners because they are slower moving. Vinyasa, Ashtanga, and Power Yoga classes can be more challenging depending on the level of instruction. Iyengar has a strong focus on proper alignment and often uses props to help students prefer their form. So, meditation will give certain type of benefits, and yoga also will give so many benefits by asanas. Every asana will have one type of healing and the benefit to the body. Then next point is how often should I do yoga as a beginner? Newbies to yoga works should plan to log 2 or 3 yoga sessions per week to start. This will ensure that your body gets used to the stretches and poses that you will be working on as you move forward in your journey. Can a beginner learn yoga at home? Yoga can be done at home, but especially for the beginner, it is important to try a class or two that is taught by a seasoned instructor in a private or group setting to be sure you are doing the yoga exercises safely. How long should I do yoga as a beginner? I suggest starting with 2 or 3 times a week for an hour or an hour and a half each time. If you can only do 20 minutes per session, that is fine too. Don't let time constraints or unrealistic goals be an obstacle to what you can do, what you can, and don't worry about it. What you can do, don't worry about it. And can you lose weight doing yoga? Absolutely. Yoga may also be an effective tool to help you lose weight, especially the more active forms of yoga. And you may find that the awareness gained through a gentle, relaxing yoga practice helps you to lose weight as well. Many experts agree that yoga works in different ways to bring about a healthy weight. Then the next point is, does yoga help you lose weight? Yes, absolutely. There is good research that yoga may help you manage stress, improve your mood, curb emotional eating, and create a community of support, all of which can help with weight loss and maintenance. And create a community of support, all of which can help you weight loss and maintenance. Yoga can also help you burn calories as well as increase your muscle mass and tone. So yoga is nothing but Ashtanga Yogasana. Ashtanga Yogasana. So in every type of asana will give one type of benefit. Every asana will give one type of benefit to you. Then is 15 minutes of yoga a day is enough or not? You don't have a practice 2 hours and end to achieve them. In fact, the benefits of yoga are so potent, even a simple 15-minute daily routine is enough to totally transform your health. So 15 minutes of yoga also will give body activity and good health also. And then what are the 30 days of yoga to your body? After 30 days of yoga, I felt less weakness in places like my knee and hips as I combined other exercises such as a 5K run or weighted leg workout at the gym. The strength that I had developed all over my body most likely played into this. One thing is exercises will give certain types of good benefits to the body, but yoga will give accurate benefits to the body by certain asanas. That is the effect of yogasanas. When you should not do yoga. Yoga should not be performed in a state of exhaustion illness, and in a hurry or in acute stress conditions. Women should refrain from regular yoga, practically, especially asanas during their menses time and in pregnant time also. Don't perform yoga immediately after meals because once you are taking meals means the body should give some time to we should give some time to body to relax while digesting meals. Don't shower or drink water or eat food for 30 minutes after doing yoga. Immediately after doing yoga, don't take water heavily and don't eat heavily. 30 minutes after doing yoga because that 30 minutes is the correct resetting of the body. If you do all these things, your yoga being a beginner will become a successful thing to you. Wishing you all the best.